Etsy has introduced Etsy Share and Save program. So what is it? What are the benefits and how you can enroll in this program? This and lots of other things will be shared in this video. So keep watching. So firstly, what is Etsy Share and Save? Actually, this is a program from Etsy which helps Etsy sellers to save on Etsy fees. With that, seller will be rewarded for all the sales they drive into their Etsy shop. And most importantly, according to Etsy, they will support your shop growth with this program. This means that you will get the benefits of bringing more sales to your shop and listings. This is really interesting. So now you might need to know how does it work. Simply speaking, Share and Save program will reward you for all the work you do to bring buyers to your Etsy shop. Well, what are the works? Actually, you will be able to share unique trackable links of your shop or listings on social media or any of your friends, family, in your website or anyone. These unique links will be your store links or your listing links. I will show you how you can collect these links, but main thing is if someone click on your link and make a purchase, you will get an instant 4% of refund of the total order amount on every eligible sales you make from your links. And to get these awesome benefits, you need to enroll in this program. Okay, let me show you how you can enroll in this program. To enroll, first you need to go to the marketing tab from the shop manager. Click next to share and save. On this page, you will see a short summary like how this program will help you. Like it's saying, save on Etsy fees when you drive sales to your shop. We have already talked about this, so click on join now. That's it, your enrollment is done. Now you will share your unique links. Use your links whenever you will share your shop or listings. So buyers will click your links and purchase from your shop. For every order, you will take 4% of the order total of your Etsy bill. Let me give you an example. Let's say you get an $100 order from a buyer who clicked on your share and save link from your Instagram bio. Your share and save refund will be 4% of the order value. So for this order, you will save $4. I think you got the idea. Now you need to know what are the shareable links that can give you this 4% reward and how to collect them. So you see I am now in the backend of Etsy and you can see these unique links here. This is the link to my shop. These links takes the buyer directly to my shop home so they can browse all the items I have on sale. If I show you, let's copy the link and open it in a new tab. You see here all the items of this shop. Now if anyone buy any item using this link, I will get 4% of reward. You can also share the specific listing link. So for that, you need to go to the listing, click on the icon here. So there are some options and at the end, click on share. This is your link, copy it and you can share it with anyone. You can also share your promo code links. If you have any offers and promos running on, you can share the promo code with your buyer. So for that, you need to go to marketing, click on sales and discount. At the end of, you will find the offers. Click on details and you will see the links here. Copy this link on and share it with your buyers. There are two more links that you can share. First one is links highlighting recent rev reviews. You can also share your glowing reviews with a trackable link back to your shop. This feature is exclusive to Etsy Seller app. So be sure to download the app if you haven't already. You can share reviews from the home tab of the app or from the review section. And the second one is links for a section of your shop. This is actually a way to encourage buyers to explore particular theme or category of your listings. It's easy in the Etsy Seller app. Just tap listings, choose the section you want to share and copy the URL. Now you know how to collect these links. Whenever you will post on social media with these links, customer will visit your Etsy page and convert to sales. But it's also important to track the amount you got as a reward from this program. From the shop manager, click on stats and it will take you to a new page. In this new page, you will see the separate dashboard for the Save and Subscribe program. and this way anyone can track the rewards they got from this program. Well, now the important part is guidelines. You should understand it properly, otherwise you won't get the benefits of this program. The first one is that buyers must place their order within 30 days of clicking your link for the order to be eligible for Share and Save program. You only get refunded for the traffic you drive from other places of Etsy. While Etsy messages and listing descriptions are still a great ways to share details about your items with buyers, you can't save on those fees by sharing your trackable links in those places. Share and Save eligibility for each order is based on the buyer's last click before they buy. That means if the buyer's last click was an offsite ad before they visit your shop, the order won't be eligible to Share and Save program and the offsite ad will be applied. These are the guidelines. I think now we have a clear understanding of Etsy's Share and Save program. We have more resources like this. You can also check our website or YouTube channel, which has a bunch of cool stuff that will help you to level up your e-commerce business and e-commerce strategy in 2024. And if you need help, we are here for you. We are a full-service e-commerce agency with over 10 years of experience. We have over 300 e-commerce experts who have helped manage thousands of bestseller products. You can book a same-day appointment with us to discuss how we can use effective strategies to level up your account. So check out all these resources or give us a call today. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have. You can also mail us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. And this is Sakib from Ecomclips signing off from today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, have a great business day. Peace.